No, Garandara is like a hidden gem for me.
Downstairs?
Yeah,
You start going up.
yeah, me too.
After so many months without the sun, Ray and I have decided to catch that flight and literally just follow the sun. Hi guys, I'm Masha and welcome back to Just Step Out channel. I'm so glad you're clicking and let's go and explore Nanyuki. It's been a few years since we were back in Nairobi. A lot has changed, a lot, and I mean a lot has changed, but let's stick to Nanyuki. It's a 5 hours drive from Nairobi, so even also flexible, like waking up so early in the morning, you can just go there and make it a 2 days trip where you decide where you can camp there and explore the park the whole day. But for us, a day was enough. So getting up early and getting there on time and being able to go through the park, through the canopy walk, and having enough time to go back. So when I say a lot has changed, for the parks you have to do your payment through e-citizen, then it will generate the payment receipt, and that's what you provide at the entrance. Before, the last time I was in Kenya, we used to do everything at the entrance. They give you prices for residents and non-residents. But now, if it's been long for you before you were in Kenya, everything has to be done through e-citizen, most especially for national parks and these tourist attraction places.
Like the Maasai men.
A point for you to note.
And also the medicino, got the box used. And then good for walking sticks. Like the Maasai men.
Ah, yes, yes.
And then
No, Garandara is like a hidden gem for me. Not It's not so crowded and not so many people are aware of this attraction. It's in Nanyuki. Like I said, 5 hours drive from Nairobi. It has animals, but mostly elephant, but you don't get to see them. But to get inside the park, you need a ranger because it could be the elephants are crossing. It's like a corridor, they say, that is in the base of Mount Kenya and connecting to Lewa Conservancy. So the elephants have enough space to go through. Elephants do need a large area to walk. So this area is like provided for that. This park is really full of life, as you can see. Now you have to get your good hiking shoes because the way back to the canopy is a little bit, how do you say, slidey. You need a shoe that holds the ground to be safe. But now back to the canopy walk, which is like 450 meters long. It's actually the longest in East Africa, and it's like 30 feet above the ground. Yeah, if you have height phobia like some of us, but we managed to go through it, it provides a very nice view of the whole of the Garendare forest. I enjoyed being up there. I don't know about the rest of the gang, but we really had a good time up there. And then you come up to where you can, if you're like in the evening and there are like animals coming like the elephants, they will come to drink water. There's like a swamp down below and you can just watch there. But like I said, in this forest you really don't get to, if you spot them, yeah, you could, but you really don't get to get like a group or of animals or so. It's hard, but they are there. Like you saw there, we saw like the shit from elephants. That means it's like, just to show you, they were there. In other places we found like branches which has just freshly been cut or dropped down, just to it just shows you an elephant just walked by there, you just missed it. But yeah, the canopy walk, that was really amazing. It was funny because some of us had height phobia, but we made it through to the other end. Now, from Nanyoke, thank you very, very much for watching this video till to the end. We're still in Nairobi in Kenya. We're still following the sun. So follow the Just Step Out channel and enjoy with us. We're gonna bring you few shots. You can also check our shots and the things we'll be doing there. But stay tuned, and please, if you've not supported us by subscribing, watching our videos, which is more important, and watching them till to the end, the ads that come up, that would really, like, we appreciate that really shows your support to us. So subscribe, watch our videos, and share with your friend. And soon we're gonna see each other, so stay tuned. The next video is coming up. And thank you very much for watching. Ciao.